From the heart of China, as the first rays of morning sweep across the gleaming towers and bustling streets of Shenzhen, a quiet revolution is underway. In this city, once a fishing village, now a sprawling metropolis, a company is not only reshaping its own destiny, but also redefining the future of mobility for the world. Its name is BYD, Build Your Dreams. But to understand how BYD became a global force, we must journey back to its humble beginnings, to a time when China itself was awakening to new possibilities. It was 1995. China was in the midst of transformation, its cities swelling with energy and ambition. In the heart of this change, Wang Chuanfu, a visionary engineer with a deep understanding of chemistry and a relentless drive, started a small battery company. With only 20 employees, he set out to make affordable, high-quality, rechargeable batteries in a modest workshop. The tools were simple, the ambitions grand. In those early days, hands moved with precision and care, assembling cells that would power phones, toys, and the first wave of portable electronics. It was a time of long hours and uncertain outcomes, but the guiding belief was clear. Innovation would fuel the future. The world was changing rapidly, and so was China. Manufacturing boomed, and the demand for technology soared. BYD quickly grew, perfecting battery chemistry and manufacturing techniques, earning contracts with tech giants. But Wang Chuanfu saw further ahead, beyond phones and gadgets, toward a horizon where batteries could drive entire vehicles. The dream was audacious, but the foundations were solid, built on years of hands-on experience and a culture of relentless experimentation. In 2003, BYD took a daring leap into the automotive world. It acquired Shenzhen Automobile, a small, struggling car company with a handful of models and little market presence. For many, this seemed a risky move. China's auto industry was dominated by joint ventures and state-backed giants. But BYD brought something new, a vision for electrification and the technical prowess to make it happen. The team expanded from battery engineers to automotive designers, creating a blend of disciplines that would soon challenge global norms. The timing was fortuitous. China faced mounting challenges. Urban air was thick with smog, cities clogged with traffic, and the country's appetite for oil made it vulnerable to global supply shocks. Leaders searched for solutions. The answer increasingly was clear: electric vehicles. The government rolled out ambitious green policies, investing in clean transport, renewable energy, and infrastructure. Subsidies flowed to innovators, and BYD was ready to seize the moment. BYD's first step into electrification came with the F3DM, a plug-in hybrid sedan that rolled onto city streets in the late 2000s. For the engineers who had once assembled simple batteries, this was a remarkable milestone. The F3DM promised lower emissions and reduced fuel consumption, an answer to China's twin crises of pollution and energy security. But the road was far from easy. Early sales were slow, weighed down by high costs, unfamiliar technology, and skeptical consumers. Charging infrastructure was sparse, and electric cars remained a novelty. Still, BYD persisted. The company's culture was shaped by experimentation and adaptation, and setbacks became stepping stones. The key, they realized, lay in the battery itself, the heart of every electric car. After years of research, BYD engineers pioneered the use of lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, batteries in their vehicles. Unlike conventional lithium-ion cells, LFP chemistry offered crucial advantages. It was cheaper, safer, less prone to overheating, and more durable under constant use. This innovation was not just a technical breakthrough. It changed the economics of electric vehicles. LFP batteries made EVs more affordable and practical for everyday drivers, opening the door to mass adoption. As the electric vehicle market matured, a new rivalry emerged on the global stage. In the West, Tesla dazzled with luxury models, long-range sedans, and advanced technology. Its cars were aspirational, marketed to early adopters and status seekers. BYD charted a different course. The company focused on affordability, reliability, and utility. Electric taxis, city buses, and compact cars for families. In Chinese cities, fleets of BYD vehicles quietly replaced diesel buses and gasoline taxis, reducing pollution and transforming daily life. Public transport became cleaner, quieter, and more efficient. This strategy paid off. While Tesla captured headlines, BYD captured the streets. Its vehicles became ubiquitous in China and quickly spread to other markets. The company's buses rolled through European capitals, Latin American cities, and Japanese suburbs. Its cars appeared in showrooms across Asia, Africa, and beyond. New factories sprung up from Hungary to Brazil, assembling vehicles tailored to local needs. BYD's global expansion was rapid, methodical, and relentless. But BYD's vision extended far beyond automobiles. The company saw itself as an architect of a new energy ecosystem, where clean power flowed seamlessly from generation to use. Massive solar farms, energy storage units, and monorail systems joined the portfolio. BYD developed batteries for homes and businesses, pairing them with solar panels to create self-sustaining energy networks. In cities, BYD's SkyRail monorail whisked commuters above the congestion, powered by the same battery technology that drove its cars and buses. The dream was no longer just about mobility, it was about powering a cleaner world. Of course, the journey was not without challenges. Critics questioned the role of government subsidies, raising concerns about market distortions and fairness. Some pointed to quality issues in early models, or to the difficulty of scaling production across continents. Yet, inside BYD's sprawling factories, the response was always the same: work harder, innovate faster, and never lose sight of the mission. The company invested heavily in research, hired top engineers, and refined its manufacturing processes. Each setback became a lesson, each criticism a catalyst for improvement. Today, BYD stands at the forefront of a global transformation. The company produces over 3 million electric vehicles annually, a staggering number that rivals any automaker in the world. Its cars, buses, and trucks are found on the streets of dozens of countries. Families charge their BYD vehicles at home using rooftop solar panels and advanced battery storage, living in homes powered by clean, renewable energy. Fleets of self-driving BYD cars navigate city roads guided by sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence, promising a future of safer, more efficient transport. BYD's influence reaches into every corner of the mobility landscape. In public transport, its electric buses have displaced millions of diesel vehicles, slashing emissions and noise pollution. In logistics, BYD's electric trucks ferry goods across continents, reducing the carbon footprint of commerce. In energy, BYD's batteries store power from wind and sun, making the grid more stable and resilient. In urban planning, its monorails and electric taxis shape the flow of people and goods, making cities more livable. But perhaps the most profound impact of BYD is the way it has changed perceptions. Electric vehicles are no longer a luxury or a curiosity. They are a practical, everyday choice for millions. Clean energy is not a distant ideal, but a reality made possible by relentless innovation and bold vision. BYD has shown that sustainable mobility is not only achievable, but scalable, affordable, and adaptable to every society. The company's story is a testament to the power of persistence and ingenuity. From a small workshop with 20 employees to a global enterprise driving the clean energy revolution, BYD's journey is marked by risk, resilience, and relentless pursuit of dreams. Its founder, Wang Chuanfu, remains at the helm, a symbol of visionary leadership in an era of rapid change. Looking to the future, BYD continues to push boundaries. The company invests in cutting-edge research, exploring new battery technologies, autonomous driving, and smart mobility solutions. It partners with governments, cities, and other companies to build infrastructure, share expertise, and accelerate the transition to clean energy. The goal is clear: to build not only cars, but entire systems that support sustainable living. In China, BYD's impact is visible everywhere, from the blue skies over Shenzhen to the quiet hum of electric buses in Beijing. In Europe, its vehicles glide through historic streets, proving that innovation can respect tradition while improving quality of life. In Latin America, BYD's buses connect communities, offering affordable and reliable transport. In Africa, its solar-powered solutions bring light and mobility to places once underserved. The company's commitment to sustainability extends beyond products. BYD's factories are models of efficiency and environmental stewardship, minimizing waste and emissions. Its supply chains are designed to be transparent, ethical, and resilient. The company invests in education and training, nurturing the next generation of engineers, designers, and leaders. As the world grapples with climate change, urbanization, and resource scarcity, BYD offers a blueprint for progress. It demonstrates that business success and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. It shows that technology can serve people, not just profits. It proves that dreams, when backed by hard work and vision, can reshape entire industries. The story of BYD is far from over. New challenges await, competition intensifies, markets evolve, and technology races forward. But the company's foundation is strong, built on decades of innovation and adaptation. Its mission endures: to build dreams not only for itself, but for the world. As the sun sets over Shenzhen, a BYD car glides silently down a tree-lined boulevard. Children play nearby, their laughter mingling with the gentle breeze. Wind turbines turn on the distant hills, feeding clean energy into the grid. The scene is peaceful, yet powerful, a vision of a future where technology and nature coexist in harmony. This is not just the story of a company. It is the dawn of a new era, one where mobility, energy, and sustainability are woven together by human ingenuity. BYD stands as a beacon of hope and possibility, showing what can be achieved when we dare to build our dreams. In every journey, in every challenge, in every breakthrough, BYD reminds us that the future is not something to be awaited. It is something to be created. And as the world moves forward, one electric mile at a time, we are all invited to join in the promise, the progress, and the pursuit of a better tomorrow. BYD, build your dreams,